Assalammualaikum and welcome to Ziah Kitchen, and today we'll be making Indonesian fish. This is called Rica-Rica and this is my mother, so she's gonna helping me how to prepare this fish Rica-Rica. Now tell me the ingredient, Ma.
First time,
She has this fish. What is this called?
pompano. If you don't have pompano, you can use the red snapper.
You can use red snapper or your favorite fish.
Yeah, where one you want favorite fish.
Okay. And what about this one?
The first time, we put the
Tell me the ingredient that for the fish. And
first time you can put the long
this one long
chili,
chili pepper,
and then the
Thai chili,
chili, and then this
kaffir leaf.
kaffir leaf.
Because we have a frozen kaffir leaf, so we will need more. Because the frozen one, the aroma is not strong as the fresh one. If you have fresh, just use probably 4 is enough. And this one, pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf.
And
Yes, the
fresh ginger.
fresh ginger, and then this garlic, and then this like
Onion.
onion.
If you don't like onion, you can use shallot. You replace with shallot, probably 3 only.
This lemongrass
Lemongrass.
for the aroma and the flavor.
And then this one, you need the chicken flavor.
Chicken flavor, and then this for the
Oil to make the satay of the paste, the chili paste. And
and then lemon for the marinade, and
To
then for the
okay, first he says
first
you
put
need
the
to marinate
marinate fish for the
fish.
fish little bit, and then
How long do you need to
like
marinate this fish?
like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then you the second.
So
you put
before you bake it, you have to marinate for 10 minutes or
Yes.
5.
10 or 5.
Depends if you want more flavor. You can marinate more longer.
That's it.
Okay, now we let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, what we have to do, we bake it. For how long we need to bake? Depending.
The cook you want soft, not too dry.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's depending how you like
You
it.
like it?
More crispy or soft, around 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. This has been marinated for 10 minutes. We'll be bake this one around 20 to 25 minutes. They open already. Now we're preparing the paste and the long chili pepper. She has to cut it small so it's easy to blend.
Yeah.
This for 5 chili. How many fish?
Up to you want the 5 chili. If you want more the fish, you can more chili or 6 or 7.
If you want
yeah. But you don't
more
want
sauce, you can add more chili. But if only for 2 or 3 fish, this is a good ingredient. Now we're preparing the chili paste. She cut already long chili pepper in small pieces with Thai chili. So what we'll have to do next? Blend it or put out some oil. Okay.
some the
Ginger.
ginger. Garlic, and then this
Onion.
That's it. Some, sa ancang. Jaga dia sih.
She want this kind texture.
Yeah.
This texture. Okay, now she's gonna saute the chili paste.
Oil.
Oh, that much? How much down? Probably half a cup.
Half cup.
Half a cup.
Not yet. Not yet. Wait. Pandan.
Is it pandan leaf? You must to put the pandan leaf.
Yeah, even you
What about you
can put. Even you don't want, it's okay.
You can find this pandan
Skip.
leaf in the Asian market, usually Thai supermarket or any Asian. You will find nowadays in frozen area. This one kaffir leaf, kaffir lime leaf,
And this,
lemongrass,
lemongrass.
the chicken flavor, salt.
Yes.
How much here? Half tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
And black
No.
pepper. Oh, you don't need
No.
black pepper. So you don't use black pepper here.
No.
How long do you need to cook this chili paste?
Depend on the
Depends?
dry. Yeah. They doesn't cook.
Now you can smell from the kaffir leaf. Smell good. Smell already. Rica-rica.
And the lemongrass.
The lemongrass, yes.
Maybe like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then depend on the fire.
Sure don't move.
Yeah. Almost done. This chili paste almost done. It smells good. Very good.
Now you see, for 10 minutes, what?
10 minutes.
10 minutes it has been cooked. You can smell the aroma of the rica-rica. How long we have to cook more?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
This one another 15 minutes more?
Yeah. Depend you pick the either fire.
Or depends on
Yeah.
the stove.
It's almost done.
Where is this rica-rica, ma?
This
From?
from the Manado.
Oh, Manado Island.
Manado Island.
In the Sulawesi, right?
Yes.
Now the fish is ready.
This one.
You see how the texture, the skin is crispy.
The inside is soft.
Inside is soft. sauce, chili sauce. This is how you prepare it. That's it.
That's it.